What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Okay, so this video is just like an update, and we're also going to be taking apart the Sierra, well, whatever's left of the fan clutch. But for the beginning of this video, we're going to have a special guest. Well, I'll tell you in a minute who it is. I also have my COVID test results. Came back negative, so did my girl. Yeah, that's good, but we're still going to be holding off on shipping out any orders just in case we do develop symptoms later on, because COVID could pretty much go unnoticed, undetected, and then hit you out of nowhere. We're still feeling good, feeling great. So I'm pretty confident that we do not have COVID. So thumbs up for that. Also, once again, check out the beanies. We have, from this day, we have 7 days left till the giveaway's over. So make sure you get your entries, 10-time entries, and you'll have a chance to win the truck. Here is my niece. She's gonna be joining us on sampling some of these air fresheners since I'm going to be making some air fresheners for the website for you guys to buy. So we're going to be checking about, I think it's like 10 different scents. So she's going to be here with me checking them out. So here's my niece. Here's my niece Ariel, my sister's firstborn. Everybody say what's up. Okay. So like I said, we're going to be doing some sampling of these air fresheners from Custom Comet. If you guys know any other companies that do custom air fresheners, let me know, because I like trying out different scents and stuff, you know. Okay, so we got, my girlfriend actually already opened one yesterday. It was Pina Colada. I'm not a big fan of it, but it did smell pretty good. So here's this one. Pina Colada. And look at it. That's how custom they are. You could like make your own kind or anything. There you go. But it's alright. I like it. It's a little too strong for me, especially with my family's background of having migraines. What do you think?
It kind of smells like pineapple.
Okay. Let me tell you the other ones we have. We have Bubble Bath, Orange, Cherry, Bubble Gum, New Car, Black Freeze, everybody's favorite, Strawberry, Cucumber, and I did order a vanilla one, but I don't know why they didn't send it. They sent me Rain instead, but I felt like I did order this one either way. But here we go, guys. Rain. So I'm gonna poke a hole right here, just so I'm gonna open it and it'll just stink up the room. And I don't want all these mix match smells in the room, especially while I'm working in here. So we're gonna just poke a hole in it. Oh, it smells good. Can you smell it? It smells good, huh?
I like that one.
It smells like I don't know how to describe it, but it's actually a really good.
Kind of smells like
really good scent. Yeah, it's similar to a cologne.
It doesn't really smell like rain.
But I wouldn't say it smells like rain, because when I think of rain, I think of wet roads and that smell. But
the fresh
it's more like a cologne to me, but I like it.
Okay.
All right, next we got Pepino con chile y limon. Just kidding, just cucumber by itself. Let's see. Oh, that smells good. Here, smell it. Damn, that smells good.
Thank you.
That smells really good. I think that's my favorite so far. It smells straight up like pepino. It smells like, yeah, it smells, to me it smells like the pepino Gatorade. It smells exactly like it too.
Pepino Gatorade?
You've never had it?
No.
I'm gonna get you one.
Okay.
Okay, now we got strawberry. I smelled better strawberry ones before, but that one smells really good still.
Kind of smells like one of those popsicles.
Popsicles? It smells like a strawberry slushy. All right, black ice now, or black freeze, or what they call it there. You can't ever go wrong with this one. Ever. You could never go wrong with this one. This one my favorite.
I think my dad has this one.
Yeah. All right, now we got new car. I know a lot of people were asking for this one as well. Well, the top
2 hours later.
3 that I got was black ice, new car, and cherry and strawberry. So those were the 4 that I got. But we got
Every new car is gonna smell good.
like a new car. Let's see. I don't smell anything.
Probably because new cars don't smell like nothing.
Oh, that smells good. It smells clean. Like, oh, it smells like those alcohol wipes that you get from restaurants. It smells good. It smells clean.
Clean.
I like it. All right, now we got cherry. Cherry. Oh, that's strong. I like it. Too strong for me though. It smells good though.
Smells like the Slurpees.
Oh, like, yeah, like the cherry ones.
Yeah.
All right, which one do you want to try next?
Orange.
Orange. We'll save the bubbles for last. Orange. I don't think I've ever smelt any orange scents before.
Probably the orange is gonna smell like any other orange.
It smells like orange high C. I like it.
Smells like that orange Gatorade.
Oh, that one. I'm allergic to orange then. I like it though. Alright, which one's next? Bubble bath or bubble gum?
Bubble bath.
No, let's do bubble bath last. This is a ghost. Oh! It smells like Pepto-Bismol.
I can't smell anything.
It's strong, huh? I don't like it.
I don't like it either.
Alright, last one, bubble bath. Hoping it smells like bubble gum. Oh, I don't like it at all. No. It's like one of those colognes that you would like get annoyed of from smelling. It's like a cologne. One of those annoying colognes.
Oh no. I don't like this one.
No? Yeah, me either.
No.
Alright guys, so now you guys take a sniff of it. Yeah, smell it real good. Okay, so if you guys have any specific scent you want me to get for air fresheners, I'm actually also going to show you three different designs, starting with this one, design number 2 right here, and design number 3 right here. So down in the comments, leave your favorite scents and either 1, 2, or 3 of your favorite design. Okay. All right. Thank you for my niece for accompanying me on this video. Round of applause, please. Thank you.
Just telling everybody to subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to my dance video. Alright guys, we're gonna set up the ring light right now so you can get some better lighting than this little thing. Bumping some classics right now. Alright. This truck needs a wash. Might as well clean on the inside too. But you know I had to bring the black freeze and throw it in the truck. Hell yeah. Beautiful lights. Super bright. Random toilet. My dog over there waiting for me to let her out. Alright, let's pop the hood. See what the damage is. I know I showed you guys already, but I'll show you guys again. There we go. Oh shit. I dropped that pretty hard. Can you guys see good? I just don't know where to put it now. Wish I could like hang it over here or something. Maybe I can. Let me try it out. Check it out. Bam. There we go. Check it out, guys. The disaster this made. So right now we're gonna take off the whole fan shroud, take out that broken fan clutch, and then just wait for the, oh look, another piece of the disaster, and then just wait for the ECU to get ordered. And hell yeah, guys, hell yeah, I'm gonna go E-fans finally, since they've been sitting in here for the longest. So it's honestly been the longest since I've been out here in the hood of my truck doing something to it. I can't remember the last time I did something right here at my house. Man, good times though. So expect more of these videos, guys. I miss doing this. For all you OGs that have been watching for years and years, I'm sure you remember when I messed up my AC. For the very first time, I installed the E-fans, and it didn't work out because it wasn't tuned. What else have we done here? Pretty much the front end swap, the headlights, cleaning out the throttle body, installing the headers. There's this piece. As you guys can see right here, it just completely ripped off of right here. That's crazy. So I'm just gonna put these bolts back so I won't lose them. But I'm gonna take this piece of plastic off, just so it won't be in the way. Oh, there it goes. Here it is. One sick fan shroud. Fan clutch. Damn, look at that, guys. Pretty much lost all my plastic clips because of this too. Jesus Christ. This one didn't get much damage, just like right here, and all this side is gone. Of where the fan clutch goes right here is pretty much like sliced. That's where it slipped off and stripped the front. Here, let me see if I can show you guys. Let me see if you can see. Yeah, you can see right there. Damn, I can't wait to get this bad girl cam right here. Man, it's gonna be fun. You see my whole wheel over there. Not this side, bunch of massive wires. All right, let's put the intake away right here. Oh, I just fucked, oh, man. All right, guys, so even though we didn't do much right here, or anything at all really, leave a thumbs up if you want me to do more in front of the hood videos, like installs or fixing certain stuff, or you know, simple stuff like that. Or also comment down what else you want to see on my channel for the next few weeks that I'm gonna be here at home. Well, I mean, I still have some stuff to take care of. The giveaway truck still needs the paint job. It still needs the electric windows. It still needs an exhaust, and it still needs tires. So those are the stuff that I'm gonna be taking care of little by little, hopefully before the giveaway is over, which we only have one more week. But yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see besides stuff for the giveaway truck. What else do you guys want to see for the Denali besides the cam? Still working on that. I'm gonna be, once I know for sure I'm okay, I'm gonna head over to Power Ambitions and get some stuff situated so we could get the truck cammed. And I already have a torque converter, so we won't blow up the transmission right away. I know for sure it's gonna be gone after the cam, but yes. Yeah, just let me know. Just put it down in the comments. Other than that, am I zoomed in? Hope not. And I sure was, huh? Oh no, I wasn't. I'm actually gonna start working out again because I freaking miss going to the gym, even though I haven't gone for like a year. But I'm gonna clean up this garage a bit. I already bought a gym mat so we could put on the floor, and a barbell for some weights, for some that turns into a dumbbell and some other shit like that. I'm not really into that weird shit, but it'll do for a garage workout. Also, what else did I order? I ordered something else. I don't know, but I'm freaking ready to start working out again. You guys up for the challenge of losing some weight? Let me know. We could play some bets or something. Calling all my big boys out there. I like being big. I don't care. I don't care if I look fat, but I do want to like feel healthy. You know, right now I'm probably like in the worst health-wise spot I've been in all my life. I want to change that a bit. I don't care if I'm still 300 pounds, as long as I feel better, and I could probably freaking throw a boulder. Pretty sure I can right now. Just kidding. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to my niece for being in it. Shout out to all you guys for always supporting and all those great comments, beautiful comments, very helpful, motivating comments that you guys left in the last video when I told you guys I was exposed to the virus. I appreciate you a lot. If you're watching this, I'm gonna leave you a 25% off coupon, which that will leave me at no profit, so you guys would pretty much get the product for whatever I pay for it. So this is for you guys. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for everything, and good luck, guys. Have a good one, and if you enter the giveaway also, good luck on that. It's ending pretty soon. Peace out, everybody. See you guys later. Peace out, guys.